Welcome back. I'm Choi-Gyun, and we start off with our top stories. On Wednesday, Hong Kong and Macau were designated as areas contaminated with COVID-19. Passengers arriving from these two locations are subject to special quarantine screenings like those arriving from China. Today, we take a look at day one of quarantine screenings for people arriving in Korea from Hong Kong and Macau.
Under the new regulation, passengers arriving in Korea from Hong Kong and Macau must go through a three-step quarantine screening. They must have their body temperatures taken upon disembarking a plane, and they're also required to fill in health questionnaires. The next step is installing a self-check smartphone app and having quarantine officials confirm their phone number and address.
이 앱을 활용하여 건강 상태에 대하여 자가 진단을 할 수 있고 1개 이상의 증상을 선택하게 될 경우 질병관리본부 1339 콜센터와 선별진료소 정보를 안내받게 되어
For foreign nationals, quarantine officials personally contact their hotels to check if they have a reservation.
They call to hotel and check my reservation, see if I really did reserve the room there and to stay there. Korea is much more serious on this.
The new screening procedure means longer waiting time for passengers at the airport and hence more inconvenience. For some passengers, it takes as long as 2 hours to finish the arrival procedure.
2차 인터뷰한다고 줄을 서는데 그쪽에서 거의 줄 기다리는 것만 한 300명, 200~300명 된 것 같아요.
Many passengers are concerned that they have an even higher risk of infection because they have to wait in a small space along with passengers from China.
들어가려고 하다 보니까 부딪히고 이래서 사실 거기서 한 명이라도 확진자가 나온다면 다른 사람들도 다 걸릴 수 있는 너무 많은 사람들이 같이 있다 보니까 없었던 병도 걸리겠다 싶더라고요.
The Korean government is considering designating Singapore a contaminated area as well, due to a surge in the number of infections in the city-state's local communities.